Hello, you're welcome to this video. You're welcome to the AI video generation training. It is your brother, Brotijude. I'll be taking you through this particular lessons. And in this course, you're going to be learning how to generate AI stunning videos. You're going to be learning how to generate all kinds of AI videos. You're going to be using basically Google VO3. You will also learn how to generate AI videos using Canva Pro. You also learn how to make images to speak, to make images speak. You also learn how to generate AI music and much more. Okay, now we're going to get started. And then by going to your browser, I use Google Chrome. And then once you're on Google Chrome, you're going to go to this website. You're going to type Google VO3 or just Google VO. Then once it opens up, you're going to scroll down. You see Gemini AI video generator powered by VOE3 or VO3. And then you're going to click on that. Let it open. Once it opens up, you're going to see this interface as Gemini powered by VEO3. So you're going to click on try VEO. Try VEO. Once it's opened, it's going to take you directly here where you are required to subscribe. You're required to subscribe, right? So you can see the different plans. You see this first plan, which is free. That's actually VO3 or VO2, where you can actually be generating stuff for free, but you will not have images or videos with sound. But what we are looking for is what can have sound. You see the second one, Google AI Pro. So what is happening is that they are giving out 1 month for free. You can see 0 USD for 1 month. And the actual price, you can see the actual price is $19.9. So that's exactly what we're going to use. You can see the other plans, $124.99 per month. With that one, they will give you 3 months for free and so on. So you can see what they offer under each of those plans. So what we are going to go for is this particular plan, Google AI Pro, which is they are offering 1 month for free. So what we'll do is you have to we'll click on that, and then it will take us here. You can see they've converted to CFA. You can actually, it means it actually costs 12,500 CFA per month, but we're going to pay 0 francs CFA for 1 month, for the first 1 month. And they're going to offer us 1,000 credits, 1,000 credits to be used in 1 month. You can see 2 terabytes of Google One space and other stuff. And we're going to be having access to Google Flow which is actually what we're going to be using to generate the images or the videos that we want. So we're going to click on this, Get Google AI Pro. And then they will ask you to accept the terms. You're going to click on agree. And it's going to take us here. Okay, you can discover that they are asking us to pay 12,000 francs per month. It shows that actually this particular account has no possibility for the free 1 month, you understand? So there are some particular accounts that may not be eligible for that 1 month. So you can actually see here the zero stuff is not there. They are asking us to pay. So if you have to subscribe, you actually have to pay, and you actually have to enter your card which has that amount of 12,000 plus, and then you will be able to subscribe to the plan. So what I'm going to change this particular account, or you could create a new email from scratch in order to access this free 1 month. You understand? You can create a fresh email in order to subscribe to this particular free 1 month. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create an entirely new email, or I'm going to switch from this email to another email to be able to access this free 1 month subscription, pro subscription, which is going to give us 1,000 credits to be used within 30 days. Okay, thank you, and see you in the next video, where I'm going to actually take you through how to subscribe, how to enter your card information, and the like. Thank you, God bless you, and see you in the next video. Okay, welcome back to this lesson. It's Bertijut of Teachut Digitals. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to Google AI Pro. So to do that, we're going to switch first to an eligible email. Remember, in the last lesson, we tried an email which was ineligible for the free 1 month subscription. I'm going to show you how to switch to another email and then to go ahead to subscribe to the Google AI Pro. Let's go. So you're going to click on this picture icon here, account icon. Then you're going to choose a different account from the list of accounts that you have signed into, or you can as well select or sign into a new account, and then you can see this one, and then you're going to click on Get Google AI Pro. Allow it to load. Okay, it's going to take you here where it's going to ask you to add payment method. Remember, the other one went through because probably there was already a payment method, but here you have to start from scratch because it's a new account. So you can see they ask you to pay or to add card. They also ask you to add PayPal. They add this redeem credit for those who have a credit, and then you have the pay on your phone. So there are multiple, so we're going to choose this first one. We'll choose add card. So once you're here, you add your card information, every details of your card is on your card. If you have a bank card, if you don't have, I'm going to show you in one of the videos how to get a virtual card for your stuff. So you enter your card information and then you click continue, and it's going to take us here, and then you see all you need now is to subscribe. You can see the card added, and then you're going to click on subscribe. Once you click on subscribe, you can see they have written there 1 month free trial, right? And you have to unsubscribe on that particular date. They have written started from August 10th 2025. You're going to pay this amount, $22.34 per month. So you have to unsubscribe before that date, so you will not be charged. Otherwise you'll be charged automatically. So we're gonna go ahead to click on subscribe. Wait for it to load, and then you can see subscribed. Congratulations. So I have successfully subscribed to Google AI Pro, and they're going to give me the 1,000 free credits that I can use within 30 days. And at the end of the 30 days, since it's costly, or if you have your money to pay, you can actually go ahead and start using the same account and paying the 12,500 francs CFA to continue getting the 1,000 credits every month. Otherwise, you can unsubscribe and then you get another account and use to get the 1,000 free trial for 30 days. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and see you in our next video, where we're going to learn how to actually go ahead to generate videos. Hello, you're welcome to yet another video. Thank you for being part of the training. I want to believe you are getting some value already up to this level. So in this video, we're going to be getting to learn about how to use Google Flow. Google Flow, that's the interface that we're going to be using to actually generate the videos. You're going to learn how to go through the interface and how to actually generate videos. So the first thing is we're going to go to your browser. Go to your browser, whatever browser you're using. You're going to type Google Flow. Google Flow. Sorry, Google Flow. You hit enter. Okay, you're gonna see this first one. This first one that shows up. You click on it. Allow it to load. It's loading. Okay, you're gonna click on create with Flow. Create with Flow. Remember the first thing, you have already subscribed to the Pro. Now you create with Flow. And then it's going to require you to get started, and then it will ask you to log into that account. So you have to choose the account that you have subscribed to. So you choose the account that you have subscribed to Google AI Pro, and it's going to take you to the interface. Here you will have the option to whether or not to click or to check these boxes. So we want to be receiving stuff from by email. You can check those boxes. Otherwise you take continue, And then you're going to review the privacy policy. I have to go through it. You can actually read through. It's very short. It's not that long. Once you get to the bottom, it's going to activate the continue. I click on continue, and it will get to here. It will show you the recent updates and all that. So you click continue. So here is the interface where you can actually create your videos. So you can peruse through the interface. You click on create, for instance. It's gonna take you here, and then you can see where you can actually enter your prompt. You can actually type in your prompt here. We're going to talk about prompt engineering. Prompt is simply what you want the AI model to create for you. So you simply type it in here, and you can see text to video. It means whatever you type in here, that is what the AI model is going to generate for you. You also have the option of image to video. You can also use an image to video. Like you can say, you click this drop down here, you're gonna see text to video. You see frame to video. That's actually frame to video simply means image to video. So you can actually upload a video and then you type in whatever you want the image to say, right? It could be your image, it could be anybody's image, and you ask the AI model to let it speak. And then you can see here, you can click on this plus to actually upload the image that you want to speak. And then this settings button here, you click. This way you actually choose how many output do you want per prompt. It's always good to choose just one. Choose just one. If you choose two, it means it's going to use more credit also. And then below you see by default it's on VEO3 fast, and that costs 20 credits. Remember, you have 1,000 credits. So you can see VEO3 fast, you have VEO2 fast without audio. So sometimes you want to create videos that you are going to use your own voiceover, right? You can use that one. It has just 10 credits. And then you can have the VEO3 quality. You can see it will take you up to 100 credits. Depending on the kind of content you want to create, you can use that. But for me, I prefer VEO3 fast, because if you have to use this, then just 10 videos is going to eat up the 1,000 credits. And then you have also the VEO2 quality, which is also costing 100 credits. So to be able to economize your credit, always use VEO3 fast. That's what I use, which costs just 20 credits. And now you can click on this picture icon to access the other elements. You can see the 1,000 credits that are available, 1,000 AI credits, and there is possibility for you to get more credits. So you can click on get more to see how much credits. So you can actually have 2,500 credits for 15,600 francs, 5,000 credits for 31,000, 20,000 credits for 125,000, and so on. So depending on the kind of project that you are into, if you are into full-time content creation, and maybe you have your clients that you're actually working on, and you can actually choose that, to be able to, you can actually buy more credit to be able to accomplish your job, because 1,000 credits may not be able to get you through your projects. So that is it for this particular lesson. In the next, we're going to actually go into creating creating videos using Google Flow. You can see my library. That's where you can always find your videos that you have created before. And then you can manage membership. You can sign out. Simple as that. In the next videos, I'm going to show you more details. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video. Shalom. Okay, it's still your brother, Bratijut. So in this video, I want to show us how to unsubscribe. Right? Remember, like we said in the last lesson, if you don't unsubscribe, then after 30 days, Google is going to charge you automatically. Google is going to charge you automatically. So you need to unsubscribe or maybe once you exhaust your 1,000 credits, you unsubscribe, or before the 30 days run out, right? So here we are on Google Flow. So you can easily do it from here, or you can do it from your Google Play. So how to do it here? You simply come to your image at the top right corner here. Then you can see your credits. You can see manage membership. You can click on manage membership. Okay. Then you can see every detail here, right? And then you can actually see what cancel membership. You can see cancel membership. So you can actually cancel membership here. You can change payment method. You can change plan. You want to change plan, you want to upgrade, you can actually click here. You can actually cancel membership here. You click here, it's going to cancel the membership. So as simple as that. All right. So that's one way to do that. Another way is to go to your Play Store. You go to your Play Store. Then you're going to click here, each up here. You see payment and subscription. You see subscriptions. Okay, it will not show here because it's a different account that is logged in here, right? So for you to do that, we have to change this. You can actually change this to the account that we actually use to subscribe. Okay, and then you do what? You click on the image here, go to payments, subscriptions. You go to subscriptions. You're gonna see the active subscription here, right? This is the active subscription. Okay, once you're here, you can click on this active, right? And then you can see below here, you can see cancel subscription. So those are the two ways you can cancel, either on the platform itself, Google Flow, or you can cancel here on your Google Play Store. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Ensure to cancel, because if you don't do, they are going to charge you. Hello, you're welcome once again to yet another lesson, how to generate amazing videos for your content, for your adverts, and so on. So in this particular video, we're going to learn how to actually generate. And the first thing is, before you can generate, you need what? A prompt. You need a prompt before you can generate. So we're going to be learning on prompt engineering. We call it prompt engineering, right? So you're welcome to teach you digitals. So let's assume we need to create a video to advertise a training on AI, right? A training on AI, like what you're learning right now. So we're gonna do, what do you do? So one of the tools I use is ChatGPT, right? You need to get it. It has a lot. It has a lot for you. It will facilitate a lot of things. Except you're a good writer, you can, okay, take your time and write out. A prompt is simply what? A description of what you want to be produced, the kind of video you want. So you simply describe the video to the model, and it's going to create it for you. Whatever you ask it, that's what it's going to produce for you, right? So it depends on you. So you need to be as detailed as possible. Maybe giving the dimensions, giving the size, giving the specific locations, the kind of articles around your location, or the kind of plans, like whatever, the kind of structures, whatever you describe, the colors, everything that you want to appear in that particular video. You describe everything in detail, and it's going to give it to you. So sometimes if it's not detailed, then the model is going to assume its own idea, right, and give it to you, and you'll not have a choice but just to take it that way. So your prompt needs to be as detailed as possible. So we're going to go to ChatGPT. Go to your browser. If you are not on ChatGPT yet, all you need is just type chatgpt.com, and then you're going to just follow the on-screen directives. Then you're going to log in, or you're going to create an account, and you're going to log in, and you're going to have access to ChatGPT, right? This is one of my accounts on ChatGPT. So what we'll do is, you have an idea on the kind of video you want to create, but you may not actually have the details or how you want it to be. ChatGPT is going to help you. Like the one I'm saying, we want to make a video of an advert, right? To calling people to actually join your AI training. So look at how I'm going to put it. I will ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for a video, a VOE video generation for that particular advert. So I will say I want to create an advert for an AI training done by T. Jude digitals. Digitals. So create for me a prompt for VO3 to generate this video advert. Then you go further to describe exactly what maybe you want to appear in that. Say, okay, it should show a building. I can say a glass building with, let's say, digitals logo visible or scripted at the front. It then shows an it then shows a, let me say, an elegant Cameroonian or Cameroon man in his 30s, early 30s, let me put it early 30s. His early 30s in an office in Tijo, sorry, Tijo Digital's office, talking about the upcoming AI training. Okay, what do you want again to see in that particular video? So you give ChatGPT the idea of exactly what you want so that it will be able to come up with the exact prompt, with the exact words. Let me say there should be a display of screens, or the digital logo should also be displayed on the wall inside the office. Okay, so what again do I need to see inside the office or in this particular video? There should be screens. There should be screens displaying AI stuff as he speaks. So you must be precise. You must tell the AI that is a Cameroonian, right? Cameroon man. If you just say a young man is going to maybe create a video from with white or any kind of person, so you must be precise so that it will know that okay, it's a black Cameroonian, and then even the English is going to resemble that of Cameroon, right? So something like this, and then we send it to ChatGPT to generate us the prompt. Then you wait as it generating. It's as simple as that. Okay. So it says here's the prompt, video prompt. It says an elegant glass building reflecting the city skyline with TJ Digital's logo clearly scripted in sleek, right? Modern font at the front of the building. The camera slowly zooms in and transits to the inside of the stylish, high-tech office. A well-dressed, confident Cameroonian man in his early 30s speaks directly to the camera. He, he is standing in the TJ Digital's office with the TJ Digital's logo professionally mounted on the wall behind him. Large digital screens surround him, displaying dynamic visuals of artificial intelligence, coding or code running, neural network. So, so you can see how detailed ChatGPT is able to give us. If you were the one writing, you may not be able to, and then it goes ahead to give suggest what enhance enhancing. You say what use key words like hyper realistic. Yeah. So sometimes you in the prompts you use the word hyper realistic so that the it can actually be like a human being or futuristic office and so on. So you see, I will see ask it to now rewrite the prompt using all this suggested enhance enhancing, right? Okay. So I can see use that one. I will say okay, re say rewrite the prompt using the suggested call it what enhancing suggested enhancing for VO3. VO3. I click on go. So that is how prompts are generated. is easier. Okay, you can see say a hyper realistic cinematic 4K video opens with a sleek glass fronted building reflecting a modern city skyline. The words Tijo Digitas are scripted in elegant, glowing font, right? Okay, you see, it's more good now. So what do? You simply copy this. Simply copy this now. Sorry. Copy. Thing is running. Okay. Copy now. And then we're going to go to, let's create a new style. Then we'll go to Google Flow. Remember, it's just it's just 8 seconds, right? Let me see. The man was supposed to say something. So you can always switch here. You can come here where you're seeing this 25. You can always switch there and come back to ChatGPT. Let me see what it's going to say, because it's going to say something. It's supposed to say something. Okay, what I will do is I will still ask ChatGPT to rewrite me the same prompt, but rewrite it this same prompt above. Remember, once you have wasted your credit, Google Flow, you will not be able to get it. So you must ensure that you get the prompt right before you go ahead to insert it. So write me the same prompt above, but inserting the words that the young Cameroonian is going to say. It should be a call for people to join the AI training class. Okay, so let's regenerate again. So you must be specific. To know exactly what you want so that you will not get it wrong, because whatever you insert, that's what VOE is going to give you. So okay, you can see now it has given details. It's given, okay, you have to insert date, you have time, and so on. So what are we going to? What does it say? Hello, Africa, my people. My name is So Jude. This is pretty long. ChatGPT would not be able to, or rather, your E3 would not be able to generate all these. Okay, we're going to copy, but we're going to edit the what it's going to say. So you can still generate all. So you're going to be generating bit by bit to be able to have all the words and then bring them together, right? So copy this. We get to Google Flow, create with Flow. So as it's so, it's a new project. We're gonna test this out too. So one of the things, we will not put date first. Remove this one coming down. There's a lot to be said here, but then we'll edit what it's going to say here. Hello. There's no need for the name here. So ensure say hello. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It is now. And I believe every African deserves to understand it, master it, and lead with it. That's why we are organizing an exclusive AI training class designed just for you. Yeah, this is good, right? But it's long. So we're going to generate and we're going to generate again and again to get exactly what we want. We're going to refresh this way. Just say join my class and learn AI elementaries for free. You just put it like this, and then we're going to send. Not to make this class too long, so once you understand this, then you'll be able to generate any other prompt, right? This is it. So remember the settings. Come here, the settings, choose just one, right? Just one. Choose VOE 3 fast. It's going to cost us 20 credits, and we click on go, right? This arrow here. So wait for it. It doesn't take long. Wait for it to generate. Okay, you can see our video is done, so you can play to see what it. You can see that. So we do what? We're gonna click on this arrow here. You can upscale to 10.8 pixels, or you can download directly. So I'm gonna download it directly on 720. So, so that is it. In the next class, we're gonna see again how to generate more. So thank you. Sorry for making this class so long. God bless you. Okay, you're welcome once again. You're welcome back to yet another video. So to continue, so you remember this video, right, that we created. So there are some other. So it's important to have a consistent image, right? So to get that, there's a place where you need to add. You may not see it. We have to go to put it on desktop mode, right? Let's try to switch to desktop mode. When you're on desktop mode, you'll be able to access some other features. Okay, that is it. So you can see when you touch, you're gonna see, once you touch, you're gonna see add to scene, right? I want to use the same image, so we're going to add to scene. So it's added. Okay, you can see it has appeared below here. It has appeared below here. So we're gonna take this line somewhere to the middle where we want to snap. Just need to be patient, and so you get it. Okay, so I want to use the same image. So once I'm here, we're going to click on this plus. You can see on top of this little line, the middle here, there's a plus, right? Click on that plus. So once you click on that plus, it's going to screenshot. It's going to screenshot that particular portion so we can reuse. So we're going to click on this plus sign, this plus here. And then you save frame as assets, right? So it's going to screenshot that particular section, and then you're going to use it as frame from frame. Okay, you can see. Then you click on that. It's going to add here. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask ChatGPT to SQL the other prompts, right? So we'll go to ChatGPT. So sometimes you need to be a bit patient with a network. Yeah. Say okay. equal the above prompt. So okay, then we're going to copy. Just copy right up to here. So we'll get back. Are we here? Okay, then we paste the prompt. Let's see. So you need to be sure what. So the next thing I'm going to say is different from what they have here. So let next things get to so so then I teach you this that we teach AI, we guide to real solutions. I'm going to rephrase this. So another level. You will learn how to generate all kinds of videos, AI music generation, AI music, make photos to talk, generate markup, images, logos, and more. This is long, but let's try. So prompt is the core. This is the core of everything, right? So if you are not careful, you may not be able to get it. You may be losing your credits, right? So let's send this and see. Remember, it's frame to video this time. View 3 fast. Okay, we'll take on go. It's generating here. You can see here. Let's wait and see. Oh, what happened? Can't find the video. Oh, it stopped. What might have happened? Let's see. So it keeps failing, but in effect, that's the method. So what we can do is we'll screenshot this directly and then re-upload. Let's see. So we have screenshotted, made a screenshot, changed here, frame to video. Then we'll click this plus sign. Yeah, the screenshot is already there. We can use this, and then we paste the prompt. Yeah, let's see if it's going to give us now. Let's check the settings. Okay, settings are okay, and then we click go. Okay, let's see. In effect, try at your end. It should work. It should work out. In any case, I'll seek out a solution to this. Maybe it's at my end. Okay, see you in the next video. Okay, we're gonna do it this way. We're gonna take a frame to video. Then we take the frame that we screenshot it. Okay. Then if we put in the prompt, okay, we hit go. Okay, we ensure we have set what we need. Okay, 20 credits. We'll take hit. Let's see what's gonna happen this time around. Okay, let's see. So that is it. That's how to have consistent characters, right? To get consistent characters, you simply screenshot the character from the previous uh, video, and then you SQL your prompt in ChatGPT, and then you bring it in, and then you can see that the character is consistent. Okay, thank you. As we continue in the next video.